Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore caching and compression in WP Rocket, full guide step by step clearly. To restore caching and compression in WP Rocket, first, log in to your WordPress dashboard. Navigate to the WP Rocket plugin settings in the left sidebar. Look for the caching tab and click on it. Ensure that the caching option is enabled. This will allow your website to serve cached versions of your pages, improving loading speed. Next, move to the File Optimization tab. Here, you will find options to minify HTML, CSS, and JavaScript files. Enable the minification options to reduce file sizes. Scroll down to the Media section within the same tab. Activate Lazy Load for images and videos to further optimize loading times. Next, check the Database tab. Here, you can optimize your database by cleaning up post revisions, drafts, and spam comments. Once you've made the necessary adjustments, scroll to the top and click the Save Changes button. Now, let's enable compression settings. Return to the main WP Rocket settings page and select the CDN tab if you're using a content delivery network. Make sure that the CDN option is configured correctly. If you want to implement gzip compression, ensure your server supports it. You can check your server settings or consult your hosting provider to enable gzip. After configuring these settings, head back to the Cache tab. Clear the cache to apply all the new changes you've made. Finally, test your website's performance using tools like Jeepmetrics or Google PageSpeed Insights. This will help you verify that caching and compression are working effectively. If everything looks good, you're all set to enjoy a faster, more efficient website. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.